Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make mud water in Minecraft. First, understand that mud water refers to the mud block itself, which is created by combining dirt with a water source. This simple process allows you to access a versatile building material for your creative builds and survival needs. To begin, gather your essential materials. You'll need at least one dirt block, which is abundant in most biomes. Next, craft an iron bucket and use it to collect water from any water source, such as a river, lake, or ocean. Having these two items is crucial for the next step. Now for the crafting process. Place your dirt block on the ground in an open area. With your water bucket selected in your hotbar, simply right-click on the dirt block. You'll see the dirt instantly transform into a mud block. It's that simple to create this useful resource in your world. Once you have mud, its potential expands. You can craft mud into packed mud, and then into mud bricks, which are fantastic for building unique structures and adding texture to your creations. These blocks provide excellent aesthetic value for your builds. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some amazing leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. They can truly simplify your life.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.